Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Grand Dama espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we replaced the brew unit, the one that is inside the machine. This is the old brew unit of the machine. I put it back in there. We clean the spouts of the machine, descale the machine as well, and also clean a bit the hopper. We replaced the gasket of the water tank, this one you see right here, as it was leaking into the tray. We also replaced a gasket that is located right here on the generator. It was leaking a little bit of water too. And we replaced the gasket of the generator itself. We also did clean the shower screen, re-lubricate the transmission, put it back together, do an encoder reader set, and just give it this machine a tune-up. So yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one short coffee, we're gonna be testing it out. It's gonna be grinding our coffee, our test coffee at the number 3 setting of the grinder. Then after that, we're gonna be using the hot water. We will not be able to use any of the latte, cappuccino, or special drinks of this machine, as we do not have a carafe that fits this specific part. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Like I said, we're using our test coffee, so we will not have that much crema. We still had a nice shot of espresso. Now, hot water for these machines usually is a bit hard at first. You see a bit of steam coming out through there, but once the thermoblock cools down a bit, we'll see that gentle stream coming out through the one, and that's exactly what you want to see on the DeLonghi. Steady stream, excellent flow, working great. So there you have it, DeLonghi Grand Dama working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.